are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Ijeoma Bob. If this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please subscribe and also click on the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to make pounded eba at home. So watch this video to the end and see how to make pounded eba at home. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified. See you guys in the video. So to make pounded eba, first you make your eba first. I'm making it inside the mortar because I don't want to be transferring it after making it in a plate. So that is why I'm making it inside the mortar. So this is so after making the eba, the next thing you do is you pound it.